centimeters cubed. Good. Okay? All right. Any questions with that? All right, problem 12. Okay, here we have a cylinder. Okay? Now whether the cylinder is on its side or up and down, it's the same. Okay? The height goes through the cylinder, right? If it's on its side like this, where's the height? Yeah, it's still going through the center, right? So it's going right and left. Okay? Sometimes that kind of throws people off a little bit. Alright, so here's our shape. And basically it's a circle, and then we draw the sides off. Okay? Boy, what happened to that one? Let's do this. Okay, here's our cylinder, right? Alright, well anyways, we have our cylinder. Alright, we have 14 centimeters in diameter. And what do they give us for the height? 12 centimeters, right? Okay, so we want to find the air volume of our cylinder. So volume is going to be what? Pi r squared times the height, right? It's the area of the circle times height, right? Okay. So this is going to be pi, right? What's our radius? Is
14, so it would be
7. Good. Radius is 7, right? Centimeters. Put 7 centimeters squared in there, times the height is 12 centimeters. Okay? So pi times 7 centimeters. Now when you put this in your calculator, the way you're going to show this, the way you can show this on the homework, and this is perfectly acceptable, is you can use your calculator. You can calculate it out. But you got to show me how you set it up. Okay? So once you set it up like that, you can just go ahead. You don't have to show me all the arithmetic and all that. Just go ahead and set up an equation and just punch it on the calculator and get your answer. Okay? So you're going to hit second and pi, or 3.14159, right? If you don't have a pi button. And then 7 squared. And then times 12. Okay? So go ahead and try that. And what do you get for an answer? Give you a hint. It starts with a 1. 1/8. 47 centimeters cubed. Good. Because that's centimeters squared times centimeters, right? Alright. Any questions with that? Okay, problem 16 on the next page. Here we have a cone, right? And again, just like a cylinder, whether the cone is right side up, or on side, or upside down, the height is always where on the cone? What's that? Yeah, it goes through the middle, right? It's always perpendicular to what part? Always perpendicular to the base. Good. Okay? So, here's through the cone, kind of like it's upside down, right? And we have, on problem 16, we have 6 yards going across and 7 yards for the height. But that's 6 yards is our diameter, right? Good. So our radius is 3 yards, right? Our height is 7 yards. Okay, so what's the volume equation, or the volume formula for a cone? Think of it.
R squared plus pi cubed. Right?
Well, careful not. We're looking at volume.
Yeah.
Pi r squared times the height, but what else we got? Is that all for the cone? You gotta divide it by something, right? 3, right? I put here 1/3, but like I said, it's better to divide the 3 last. Okay? So our equation is going to be pi, right? And then we're going to put in here what for the radius? 3 yards squared times the height is 7 yards. And then divide by 3. Okay? And what do we get?
66 yards cubed.
Right, 66 yards cubed. Okay?